Hello friends, you're on the PetCorner channel, and today we're going to talk about how to properly care for pugs. These cute and funny dogs require special care in order to stay healthy and happy. We will tell you how to properly feed a pug, take care of its fur, how much time it should spend on walks, and how to monitor its health. If you have a pug or are just planning to make such a friend, this video is for you. Pugs are small but very strong dogs that deservedly enjoy great popularity among pet owners. Despite their compact figure, pugs are characterized by an active and cheerful nature. These dogs are great companions for people of all ages. They are always ready to play and enjoy life, but they require special attention, especially in matters of taking care of their health. Pugs are known for their unique appearance. Their rounded eyes, short muzzles, and characteristic folds on the skin attract attention, but it is the features of their physiology that may require increased care. For example, a short muzzle leads them to be prone to respiratory problems such as obstructive sleep apnea and nasal passage problems. Despite these potential problems, pugs are incredibly friendly and sociable dogs. They get along well with both humans and other animals. They like to be the center of attention, often require the attention of their owners, and do not like to be alone for a long time. This can lead to problems such as separation anxiety if the dog is not used to being alone. The temperament of pugs is characterized not only by activity, but also by balance. Although they are energetic, pugs are also a breed that loves peace and comfort. They are well suited for living in an apartment, as they do not require huge spaces for playing, but at the same time they need regular walks. One of the features of pugs is their tendency to obesity. Due to the fact that they like to eat and are prone to a sedentary lifestyle, owners should monitor their weight to avoid related diseases. Regarding the care of pugs, it is worth considering their hygienic needs. The folds on their muzzle require regular cleansing to avoid the formation of inflammation and infections. Pugs can also suffer from allergies, which requires monitoring their diet and environment. Hygiene procedures are also important for their skin, as they may have a predisposition to skin diseases such as dermatitis. Pug's skin can also be sensitive, and owners should use mild shampoos and care products suitable for sensitive skin. In addition, it is necessary to monitor the pug's teeth, as this breed is prone to tartar formation and gum disease. Regular brushing of teeth and the use of dental products for animals will help maintain the health of their oral cavity. When it comes to physical activity, it is important to remember that pugs do not tolerate excessive exertion. Their short legs and special body structure do not allow them to engage into intense physical exercises. Therefore, walks should be regular, but not too long. Pugs also do not tolerate extreme heat due to their short muzzle, which makes them more vulnerable to overheating. In hot weather, long walks should be avoided, and it is important to provide your pet with enough water and shade. Thus, caring for a pug requires attention to a variety of factors, from health to hygiene and physical activity. Understanding these features will help pug owners ensure their pets have a long and happy life. Proper nutrition is one of the most important components of a pug's health. This issue requires special attention because improper food choices or eating disorders can lead to various diseases and deterioration of the general condition of the dog. Pugs, like other dog breeds, have their own characteristics that need to be taken into account when making their diet. One of the main problems of pugs is their tendency to obesity. These dogs love to eat, and sometimes their appetite can be too strong. Pugs don't always notice when they have enough food, so it's important for owners to monitor the amount of food they give their pet. Obesity can lead to a variety of health problems such as joint diseases, diabetes, and cardiovascular diseases. To avoid obesity, it is important to choose a food that matches the pug's age, activity, and health status. The diet should be balanced, including all the necessary nutrients, proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, and minerals. In addition, you need to take into account the amount of food that is given to the pet as well as avoid overfeed. Besides being prone to obesity, pugs can suffer from digestive problems. This breed is often confronted with disorders such as diarrhea, constipation, and flatulence. To prevent digestive problems, it is important to choose a food with high-quality ingredients that is easily digested. Veterinarians often recommend prebiotic and probiotic supplements to improve intestinal function and prevent unpleasant symptoms. It is also worth monitoring the diet. Pugs, as a rule, have a tendency to frequent and uneven food intake. Dividing the diet into several meals during the day helps to avoid overloading the digestive system and maintains a normal energy level in the dog's body. An important aspect of proper nutrition is the regularity of feedings. It is recommended for pugs to feed them twice a day to maintain stable blood sugar levels and avoid stomach overflow. It is best to feed your dog at the same time to create a routine for her and help her regulate her appetite properly. Do not forget about the water. Pugs can be prone to dehydration, so you should always make sure that the dog has fresh water available. Lack of fluid can cause kidney and bladder problems, as well as worsen the pet's general condition. Finally, it's important to remember that every pug is unique. Nutritional needs may vary depending on age, activity level, and health. Therefore, it is always worth consulting with a veterinarian to choose the optimal diet and avoid possible problems in the future. Pugs are a breed with short hair that does not seem to require much care. However, despite the fact that they do not need complex grooming, proper care of their fur and hygiene procedures play an important role in their health. Regular care will help to avoid many problems such as skin diseases, infections, and unpleasant odors. The first thing you should pay attention to is regular washing of the pug. Pugs do not require frequent bathing, as their fur is not susceptible to contamination. However, depending on the living conditions, walks, and individual characteristics of the dog, it is recommended to wash the pug once every 1 to 2 months. Mild shampoos suitable for dogs with sensitive skin should be used for washing to avoid irritation. An equally important element of care is cleaning the ears of a pug. Pugs, due to their ear structure, can accumulate moisture and dirt, which creates ideal conditions for the development of infections. Regular ear cleansing with a soft cotton swab or special ear care products will help prevent inflammation and infectious diseases. Brushing teeth is another important procedure for pugs. Like many other breeds, pugs are prone to tartar formation and gum inflammation. Regular brushing of teeth using special pastes and brushes will help to avoid diseases such as gingivitis and periodontitis. It is best to start brushing your teeth from an early age to get your dog used to this procedure. Special attention should be paid to the wrinkles on the pug's face. These folds, which are characteristic of the breed, can become a problem area if they are not properly cared for. Moisture and food residues can accumulate in the folds, creating favorable conditions for the development of bacterial infections. To prevent this, pug owners should regularly wipe the wrinkles on their face with a damp cloth, as well as use special skincare products in these areas. Haircuts for pugs are usually not required as their fur is short and has no undercoat. However, if the dog is prone to forming tangles or the coat becomes too thick, a haircut can be carried out with the help of a professional. It is also important to monitor the condition of the pug's claws so that they do not become too long and do not interfere with the pet during walks. To protect against skin diseases, owners of pugs need to regularly check their skin for damage or irritation. Pugs can be prone to allergies, which can manifest as rashes or itchy skin. If such symptoms appear, it is worth contacting a veterinarian to determine the cause and prescribe appropriate treatment. Thus, hygienic pug care includes regular procedures such as washing, brushing ears and teeth, grooming facial creases, and haircuts if necessary. Proper care helps to prevent many health problems and keep your pet in great shape. In this video, we finished the part about taking care of pugs and proper nutrition. In the next video, we'll look at walking and taking care of your health. See you soon.